I'm a tarot card reader, numerologist, holistic healer, hypnotherapist, and access bar facilitator. I believe life is emotions and thoughts. Life is a mixture of emotions, thoughts, feelings, actions, and so many times we keep getting stuck in many areas of life. So tarot, numerology, and my all healing modalities help me in forwarding a person with their positive beliefs and emotions. I work with tarot for the personal growth and the spiritual growth. It gives me immense pleasure to read people's card, let them know about their fears, obstacles, and their past, present, future to get more clarity, more guidance to wherever they are stuck or wherever they're going to be stuck at. It's all about who you are today, where are you heading, are you on your spiritual journey while doing all your materialistic activities with all the people all over the globe, all over my nation, everywhere, and to make them feel great about themselves and how to lead a greater happy life. So I'm here with all those classes and those tools which can help you to move forward in your life without my help any other time. If you just pick up every day one card, that one card reading will give you immense insights to move forward in your life. This deck is of general future. This for the relationship with your loved ones and your family. This deck talks about who you are in your health. This deck is regarding your work, which is with the green color, is the finance deck, which you will know how much are your finances working or going to work out, or whatever way you're putting your effort, what can it be. After using all this deck is empowerment deck. Is not there that this is not going to work out, we feel disempowered. So this deck, when we use it, now this deck has a lot of empowerment message along with the affirmation. So many times we keep getting stuck, and that's where we feel negative, and one negative can pull you into 100 negatives. With all my classes, I provide a detailed note so that even if you have forgotten any, the whole matter, whatever I teach is always there in this note, and this will give you complete information. And even if I'm not there, you can keep referring and keep remembering the cards meanings, numerology, every detail has been mentioned. This is the pendulum dowsing, which allows me to know lot many stuff in yes, no, positive, negative energy, which is called as the inner journey, which is having lot of in detail about who you are, what is your chakra, all symbolic of your mental attributes, your emotional attributes, and your physical attributes. I work with your thoughts and beliefs. I find out which ones are blocking you and making you not forward in your life and positive in your life. So that's where I work with you and not on you by different modalities of mine. The few modalities which I can work with is emotional freedom techniques at the stuck position. So all my invitation for you is go ahead, find out what you would like to learn or what you would like to consult for. Come back and just do whatever you need to do to forward yourself and know yourself more through the chakra, how to balance them, how to not. Learn dowsing, which is helpful in everyday life, right from eating food to wearing which stone to whatever you really want to know. So all these tools are really on day-to-day helpful, and it's not going to be kept in one corner of your house. So come, learn, just come and be there with me. Thank you so much.